How to read old chat on Instagram without scrolling. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Can we really go ahead and check out our old chat on our Instagram without scrolling? Let's go ahead and find out. So firstly, go ahead into your Instagram application, make sure it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. Now to read onto your old chat, what you need to do is basically click on the home icon, then tap on your DM section. Tap on the conversation of which you want to check out your old chat. If you have chat with a person limitedly, you will be easily able to see the old chat. But in the case of someone close and you've been chatting all day, all night, from a very long time, there is no way you will be able to check the old chat without scrolling. So as you can see in Messenger, there is a feature called search in chat. Same as it, Instagram also have the search feature. You can just click on the search icon and type in the last message that you remember from your old chat. After this, Instagram will redirect you to the particular section of the chat, and you might be able to look out your old chat on Instagram as well. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.